Hey future trucker, Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how much should CDL training cost. If you're looking to get a CDL license, this might be one of the first questions that you're going to ask yourself. And it could get confusing all across the country. So we're going to break it down for you and kind of give you a good understanding of how much should a quality CDL training cost. Now, before we get started, I want to ensure that you watch all the way to the end, because towards the end, I'm going to show you how Driving Academy makes CDL training affordable for anybody. That's right, anyone can qualify for what we have in store for you. That being said, when you look at prices across the country, you're going to see them all over the place. You'll see an average anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000. And when you think about it, that is a huge difference to come up with an average. Now you might be thinking, well, what is the difference? Is all training exactly the same? And that is where you're wrong, my friend. The biggest difference in price comes down to three main factors: the school you're going to, which type of CDL license you're going after, and how many hours of training you're looking to get. So when it comes to the school, you're going to have different levels of schooling. Just like in college, you're going to have the Harvards of the world, and you're going to have the community colleges of the world. And everything is going to be a little bit different. Not all schools are exactly the same. Here at Driving Academy, we're the best CDL school in the country, but we're not the most expensive either. And that's one thing that does make us the best. We make it super affordable for anybody to get a CDL license, but we'll talk about that later on in the video. The other thing is going to be what type of license you're after. There's two options that you can actually go after. You can go for a CDL Class A license, or you can go for a CDL Class B. CDL Class A means you're able to drive bigger tractor trailers, and it is more difficult. The higher the difficulty level of training, the higher it's going to cost you. A Class B is just a big car, as an example. So you don't need that much time to practice on how to master a Class B vehicle in comparison to a Class A, which means Class B programs are most likely cheaper in most schools. Now, the third thing that's going to be different is going to be what type of service or how many hours of service you're going to get. So don't just look at the overall price, look to see exactly how many hours of training you're getting and what is included with those hours of training. Now, there's a lot of scams out there on how they can kind of manipulate hours of training. They can say, yes, we're going to give you 160 hours of training, which is the most common out there. But how are those 160 hours split up? We have certain schools like ours that'll give you 40 hours of classroom training to get you ready for the permit and 120 hours of hands-on yard and road training. Then you have other schools that will actually flip-flop it. They'll say, no, we're going to give you 120 of classroom training and we're only going to give you 40 hours of actual hands-on yard and road training. Now, we believe that you should spend more of your time hands behind the wheel and learning versus just being in a classroom and getting stuck there, right? But that's what I'm telling you. Every school is a little bit different, and what type of hours you're getting is different. Here at Driving Academy, at many of our locations, we have courses that actually come up with less hours. We have what we call half courses available at some of our locations, where if you come in with a permit already and you don't want the entire course, we can give you a half course, which means we're just getting you ready to pass the road test. Less hours of training, which means the cost comes down. And that's pretty much how you can think about how we structure and how most schools structure their costs. The other thing that can actually manipulate the price is going to be how many attempts of the road test you're going to get. Here at Driving Academy, we have what we call guaranteed training courses available, which means we're going to give you over 100 hours of training plus unlimited attempts at the road test, which means you pay one price and you keep going for the test until you pass at no extra cost to you. Other schools out there might just give you one try or two tries at the test at a certain price. So the school that you pick is super, super important. So these are some simple questions that you can ask to make sure that you don't get scammed by the school you're going to. Question number one is going to be, are you licensed by the state and by the federal government? If they are not licensed by the state or the federal government, do not go there because you are at risk for losing your license sometime in the future. Question number two is going to be, how many hours of training am I going to get? And how is the hours split up? Is it classroom training? Is it yard training? Is it hands-on? Is it not hands-on? Is it group? Is it individual? And really understand what you're purchasing. Also, on top of that, you want to ask, how many attempts of the road test am I going to get? One of the oldest scams we've seen in this industry is a school coming in offering a super cheap price. And what that price gives you is a little bit of training and one try at the road test. They're going to offer you that super cheap price in the beginning, knowing that you have a very high chance of failing, and you're going to keep paying them more money to keep training and to keep going for more road tests moving forward. And when you actually start racking up the costs with the extra training that you're paying for and the extra road test attempt that you're paying for, in many cases you start paying double than you would have if you just came to an approved training provider like us here at Driving Academy. Our courses are going to cost anywhere from $3,000 all the way up to $11,000 depending on the course that you're going after. Most of our students are usually in the $3,000 to $5,000 range itself. But we never let money get in the way of you getting yourself on the road to freedom with a CDL license, which means we're going to make it super affordable for you. All you need to get started is $500 down, no matter which course that you pick with us, no matter which location you sign up with. And from there, there's going to be an interest-free payment plan for the rest, which means everyone qualifies. There's no background checks, there's no credit checks, nothing like that. You just pay as you go, which makes it super simple and super affordable. We have payments that start off as low as about $100 a week. So think about it. With $500 down and $100 a week, you can start your CDL training today and eventually get yourself on the road to freedom at your own pace. If you want more information about how much a school near you costs, check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com. Again, cdldrivingacademy.com. We're definitely here to help you get yourself on the road to freedom today. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.
If you want to get your CDL, Driving Academy is here to make that process simple. We'll help you pass your permit, train behind the wheel, and prepare you for real-world driving with days and night classes 7 days a week. Start with only $500 down with interest-free payments and get lifetime job placement assistance to help you get hired fast. Visit cdldrivingacademy.com and let's help you get started on your road to freedom today. If you like this video, I know you're going to love this one too. And of course, subscribe. And if you're ready to get started, click on the link below.